tripling your money. So this is just like all the other ones, except it is a little different. We want to figure out how long it takes to triple our money. And again, the rate is, for problem number 30, it's 5.75%. So if we write that as a decimal, it's 0.0575, because we just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And now let's read it out loud. It says, determine how much time is required for an investment to triple in value if the interest is earned at a rate of 5.75 compounded continuously. So whenever we see compounded, that's a U, compounded continuously, then we always use that. I call it the PERT formula, but P stands for principal. This is Euler's number E raised to the rate times time, and that gives you the amount that you end up with. So in this case, because we want to triple our money, we start with an initial amount of A times Euler's number E raised to the RT is equal to 3A. Okay, it doesn't matter what A is, whatever we start off with, we want to end up with 3 times that amount. So now algebraically, if I divide both sides by A, I get E to the RT is equal to 3. So now the next step would be is to say E 0.057, because that was our rate, times T equals 3. Now we could solve that algebraically by using the natural log. What our textbook wants us just to solve it graphically. So if we were to solve it graphically, I'm just going to graph the left side of the equal sign as a function. So here I would say, I would clear this out, and the little e to the x is right there under or above the natural log, or ln. I don't know why they put ln. It's natural log, but a lot of the people that come up with this, they speak like foreign languages. And so the descriptors are in, like we'll say a blue hat, but they would say the hat blue. So ln actually means natural log. But it's not the natural log, it's second the natural log button. And so I got e raised to the thing. So I'm going to put 0.0575, and instead of t, I'll just put x. Close my parentheses. So that's the first expression, whatever's on the left-hand side of the equal sign. And then on the right-hand side of the equal sign is the number 3, so I'll set that as a separate. And so this is kind of a nifty way to solve any equation, kind of. So now I'm going to graph this, and I hope that it fits in my window setting. If not, then I need to adjust my window settings. And it just barely fits. And so what I'm looking for is the intersection between these two lines. The perfect horizontal line is y equals 3. My curved line is the exponential function e raised to the 0.0575t, or x. So if I hit second calc, I'll get this little screen that says calculate. Do you have that on your screen? And you just go down to where it says intersect. Alright? And select that. And then you just move the cursor as close as you can to where the two lines look like they intersect. And then you just hit enter for the first curve, get it a little closer for the second curve, hit enter, and then the guess. And so it's like 19.106. So t then is approximately 19.106. Any questions on that one? 1.9. Okay. You might